So hey guys, today we're going to learn how to get free Robux in mobile, but for this example, I'm going to do it using my laptop. So I am going to head on over to my browser and I'm going to search for the Roblox.com. I'm going to launch it in your smartphones. If you do have it, or you can just head all over to Play Store or Apple Store and download it. From there, you are going to tap on your profile. For me, I'm going to click on my profile. From here, I am going to edit my about, in which I am going to write 4x's, then a dash, then 4y's, then a dash, and then 2024, then another dash, then other box. Then I'm going to tap on save. And from there, it should give you something like this. From there, you're going to go back and then you are going to refresh. So in your device, it's just going to refresh your Roblox application. From there, you're going to tap on the three dots, which is going to take you to the gear icon if you have a smartphone. But for me, I'm going to tap on the gear icon and tap on settings. From here, I am going to head on over to account info and I'm going to scroll down until I change my gender to a girl. From here, I'm going to change also my language. If it was from English, if you did have it on English, you are going to change it to a last one that is here at the bottom. It's supposed to give you this type of a notification, and you're going to tap on OK, which is going to refresh you here to your Roblox page, which is in account info. So from there, all you have to do is to search for sparkbucks.com, which is here. From there, you're going to enter the code, which is Bucks 2024. Then you're going to enter your username. And you're going to click on login. From there, you're going to enter your username again, and then you're going to fill any of these activities to receive your 10,000 Robux. And thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that it did work. Comment down below if it did, and like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.